about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we...
Guys, I'm finally here. I miss you guys so much. I have a few news that I want to tell you. First, if you speak Spanish, I'm doing vlogs. The sad news is that they're only in Spanish, but the happy news is if you speak Spanish, go and watch them. The link will be in the description box. The second news is that I'm filming with my new camera. I filmed this whole video with that camera and I am in love. Every scene looks goals. And the third one is that I have a lot of giveaways running right now in my channel. I'm gonna leave the links of every giveaway on the description box, so go and check them out. And this is what I'm giving away.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, died with my own doubts.
If you like this outfit, I'm gonna leave the link on the description box so you can go and purchase it and help me out because I'm the one that decided. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell to get a notification when I do a new video. Give a huge thumbs up and comment down below. Follow me on my Instagram, my Twitter, and my Snapchat. Now let's start. When you're about to enter my room, this is how it looks. And here is a preview of my whole room. Let's start with my clothing rack. My clothing rack and my clothing hooks are from IKEA. I like to put a lot of cute jackets in this clothing rack. You will see one of my favorite jackets, that is this pink one and this denim one with a lot of patches and also a plain denim jacket. I also like to hang a lot of my small purses in this clothing rack by the sides. As I like to hang some of my hats also because I think it looks totally cute. This trash can is from Marshall's. Now let's continue with this super cute wall decor. I love to hang tumbler pictures. The pom-poms are from Target. The cactus piñata is from Forever 21. The grid wall thingy is from Target also. The disco ball is from Party City. The star piñata is from Urban Outfitters. And I think everything together looks so cute. I made this Girl Rules piñata, by the way, in one of my DIYs. I'm gonna see if I put the link down below. Now let's continue with my chests. The big ice cream container is from Marshall's and the small one is from Walmart. This unicorn pumpkin is also one of my DIYs. And here I store all of my DIYs materials. Now here you can see a lot of my DIYs material, which is a lot. I have way too many materials for my DIY. This last cabinet is for all my camera equipment. This chest is from Rooms to Go. This is my fan. If you see it's a bit drawn, it's because my sister decided to make a dino out of it. This sofa used to be my grandma's. The teddy bear, the owl, and the plushie are from Walgreens. The two small unicorns are from Walmart. The big unicorn is from Universal Studios. The Totoro and the donut unicorn, I made them. And the red plushie is from Hot Topic. This lamp is from Home Depot. This is one of the lamps I use to record all my videos. On the bottom you can see my slippers and they're from Walgreens. Here you can see a medal from my college when I graduated and my Polaroid that it was a Christmas gift from my boyfriend. Here is my big desk where I film a lot of my DIYs. The chair, the desk, and the fork is from IKEA. The milk carton and small unicorn is from Flying Tigers. My light box is from Amazon. My unicorn neon light, I made it in a DIY. Also the cactus neon light, I made it. The gumball machine is from Walmart. The unicorn is from Marshalls. The flamingo is from Walmart. And I don't know where is the blackboard. And the New York snow globe is from New York. I made the unicorn. All the push pins are also DIYs made by me for videos in my channel. The Polaroid pyramid and the jewelry bowl, it's made by me. This candy jar is from Marshalls and the Meeple is from Amazon. The two clouds are from Flying Tiger and the rainbow is made by me. Almost all those pencils are DIYs from my channels. I added that confetti from the champagne in a DIY video. This jewelry bowl is made by me. This notebook is another DIY made by me. Here is another overview from my desk, and the lamp is from Walmart. The coaster is from Marshalls. The notebooks are from Marshalls. The ice cream is from Walmart, and the flower popcorn thingy is a DIY from my channel. The triangle Polaroid holder is a DIY from one of my YouTube videos. The pineapple and watermelon book holder is a DIY from one of my videos. This tapestry was also made by me. At the bottom of this desk, I have a lot of DIYs materials stored. And here is one last overview of my desk. Now let's continue to my sewing desk. The desk is from Costco. The chair and verb is from IKEA. My sticker machine is from Sam's. Bobina holder are from Flying Tiger. I drew those lips. Almost every sticker from here is from Bandu and Target. This peep is from Walmart. This watermelon is from Flying Tigers. This little robot, I bought it in a museum from Chicago. And the lens is from Best Buy. This machine, I bought it in a hotel. This tripod and lamp is from Walmart. The carrots is from Flying Tigers. The radio and ice cream are from Walmart. And the donut is from Amazon. The bottle is a DIY. The emojis are a gift. And the bunny sunglasses are from Walgreens. This thread holder is from Walmart. This whole wall is a DIY that I made in one of my videos. And the tongue patch is from Wish. The flamingo is from Party City. Here is one last overview of this desk. Here is my industrial sewing machine. I bought it in a hotel. The serger machine is from Sears. This teddy bear is a gift from my boyfriend. This stool is from IKEA. This unicorn notebook is from Universal Studios. The notebooks underneath are from Marshalls and the blue one is from Walgreens. This letterboard is from Bandu. My candles are from Bath and Body Works. The snow globe is from New York. The picture is from Bandu. The head is from Marshalls. The mask is from Walgreens. And here is one last overview. This is my TV and underneath I store a lot of DIYs materials. The desk from the TV I think is from Costco and I don't know where the TV is from. And here is where I film all my DIYs videos. The ring nebula light is from Amazon. And that's it guys, this is my filming room tour. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. And here is one last overview of my room. Well, that is about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get a notification when I do a new video. And give a huge thumbs up so you can help me so other people can also watch this video. On the end of this video, I'm going to leave the 2 videos that have the unicorn giveaway so you guys can go and participate. See you later, so goodbye.